Hello friends, I am Rishabh Shah, and in this video I would like to explain what you as an investor should look at before buying media and entertainment stocks for your portfolio. We have created a list of fundamentally strong media stocks to buy for a long-term horizon, which include Sun TV, PVR and Inox Leisure. As an investor, this video will guide you to make your own checklist and research media stocks better. To start with, I will give you a brief about the media sector as a whole. The media and entertainment industry in India consists of many different segments such as television, print, films, radio, music, and gaming. The industry presents a huge range of opportunities to grow across different segments. India has one of the most diverse media industries with over 850 TV channels and 17,000 newspapers. With a population of 130 crore, household television penetration of 89%, internet subscriber base of 72 crore, and nearly 40 crore smartphone users, India's telecom industry is set to become the primary platform for content distribution and consumption. Other than that, multiplexes in India are also witnessing very rapid growth. India's current cinema screen penetration is one of the lowest in the world at 8 screens per million population. The cinema business model has evolved from being a single screen theatre to multi-screen multiplexes. Despite a premium, more and more people are preferring multiplexes because it gives them a variety of different experiences to choose from, be it for comfortable seating, better screen quality, choices in food and beverages, or ultra premium movie experience. Thus, despite the emergence of online platforms such as Netflix and Amazon Prime, people still go to the multiplexes just for a great cinematic experience. Our model portfolio basically contains stocks from broadcasting and multiplex segment, which offers growth opportunities over the long term. There are a few key parameters an investor must look at before buying these stocks. Firstly, let's look at the segment mix, that is the subscription versus the advertisement revenue, mainly for TV broadcasting companies. The main sources of revenue for a broadcaster are advertisements and subscription. You can evaluate the contribution of revenue that comes from recurring and stable sources such as subscription as compared to cyclical segments like advertising. It should be noted that any change in the advertiser's preference or economic downturn may adversely affect the business profile and financial performance of a broadcaster. As you can see, Sun TV derives a higher portion of its income, that is 39.6% from subscription versus Zee TV, which derives only 29%. This shows the superiority and stability of Sun TV. Now moving on to the key parameters for multiplex companies. First, let's look at the scale of a film exhibitor, which is determined by the number of screens operated. PVR is a market leader operating 845 screens in 71 Indian cities, while Inox operates 626 screens in 68 Indian cities. It is also important to see the occupancy level of the multiplexes. Due to its high operating leverage, the revenue profile of film exhibitors remain highly vulnerable to the occupancy. You should also analyze the various strategies adopted by exhibitors to maximize the footfalls. PVR enjoys a high occupancy level of 34.9% as compared to that of Inox's 28%. The occupancy level in turn depends on the average ticket price, which should not be too high or too low. The company's ability to maximize occupancy at the highest average ticket price would help the company maximize revenues. Over here, PVR has the ability to charge a higher ticket price and at the same time enjoy higher occupancies. On the other hand, spend per head is also important to check, which is the amount spent by each person in a movie theatre, mainly on food and beverages. This helps to push up the overall revenues and in turn loyalty due to a better movie experience. In our example, spend per head for PVR is Rs 99 and that for Inox is Rs 80. Although PVR maintains the lead by better performance than Inox across all key parameters, Inox has been catching up. It has been steadily bridging the gap in these key parameters year after year. Therefore, we include both Inox and PVR in our model portfolio, which does not have any major competition in the multiplex space. Apart from this, other key things investors should look at while picking up media stocks are the top line and bottom line growth, debt profile, valuation ratios, and return ratios. This provides an understanding of the financial performance of the companies. Below, we have attached the financial performance of Sun TV, which ticks the checkboxes across parameters. Finally, the COVID-19 pandemic is a major black swan event which has dragged the economy and the advertising environment. The immediate impact on ad-driven media industry will be significant, but an increasing proportion of subscription revenues will partly offset the decline. However, with people being homebound, consumption of media and entertainment and digital media in particular has seen considerable growth. Segments such as films could see a slower recovery, but fundamentals remain intact for the long term. Thank you.